Hey guys, it's Katie, and today we're doing something totally different than anything we've done before. I told you that one of my New Year's resolutions was to have more girl time, so we're doing a partner workout, and I brought in my bestie, Allie. Yay! And we're gonna show you some moves that you can do with your bestie, your little brother, your mom, whoever you have around that are going to work your entire body, burn tons of fat, and you'll have a lot of laughs doing it. So if you're ready, sweat the thumbs up, give it a little click, and let's do this. We're gonna start with a push-up lateral jump. This is gonna work your entire body, get your heart rate up, and get us ready for the other moves. This in and of itself though is like serious business. So if you need modifications on your push-up, totally okay to drop to your knees at any time. The key is making sure that when you're doing your push-up, you get low enough so your partner can jump over you without landing on you. That's key, right? I will try really hard. So we're gonna start, why don't you start in the push-up? So as they lower down, you're gonna hop over to the side. They'll push up one more time, hop over. Now it's my turn. So I'm gonna hop down, push up, exhale, press, lower down, and press. Then you just keep alternating. Big hop, side to side. Do a couple more here. Big jump. Good, core is tight. Hop it back, inhale, lower. Exhale, press, lower down, and press. Last one here.
Oh, we're still
go, Allie, go. You got this. Last one. Make you finish those push-ups strong. All right. Woo. Good job.
You make me jump.
I know. I mean, it's only like, what, 6 push-ups or something? And you're like, it gets ya. But when you're having to hold it a little bit longer than normal, trying to push yourself up really makes you work. Yeah, for sure. All right, so our next move is gonna help you with your pistol squats. So those single leg squats, if you do the Hot Buddy Sweat Guide, you've been practicing these already, but it makes it way more fun with a friend. So you're gonna take a wide stance. So bring your feet out wide. Hold on to each other, not just at the wrist. You want a little bit more arm because you need that support. Little bend in the knees, core is tight, like lock it in, because if you haven't done these before, you might just roll onto each other. So make sure there's soft areas around you. It's pretty entertaining, but keep those legs nice and firm. Your weight's gonna come into your heel. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna extend my right leg out, pushing through the heel. I'm gonna sit my booty back and down. I have Allie here to support me. Exhale, push through the heel to come to standing. And now it's your turn. Yes, good. And you don't have to go all the way to the floor. Go as low as you can where you're comfortable. Alternating legs each time. Awesome. Exhale as you push up and really keep that weight in the standing leg. Do a couple more here. Digging through. This is going to be so good for the glutes, for those hamstrings. Good. One more on each side. Woo! Good, get low. They get harder as time goes on. Okay. This is where that friendship comes in handy. You really have to trust the person you're doing these with. Last one. Awesome. Okay. Shake it out. Shake it out. We're gonna give the legs a little bit of a break and go to the core, working into our abs and our obliques, waistline. And this is good bonding. So booties touch. Get nice and close. A little bend in those knees. You're gonna twist toward each other, opposite hand high five, and then alternate. So your lower body stays still. Your upper body is twisting like you're wringing out a sponge. Good, exhale, twist. You can do way more of these. You whip each other with your hair. We probably should have used a ponytail. Woo! Seriously, that hair whip though. All right, let's do 10, 9, 8, 7, squeeze that belly, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. I might have given us an extra break there. It was like 7, 4. That works. Shake it out. Okay, our next move is gonna be a little bit more dynamic. We're gonna get the heart rate up. If it's not already up for you, it's gonna happen right now. Working into those legs. Again, we got the squats. We were really working with those single legs on the hamstrings and the glutes. Now we're gonna bring it a little bit more to the quad. And then of course the core with that heart rate accelerating. So you're gonna grab opposite hands, squat down, exhale and switch as you jump up. Good, get nice and low, legs are wide, and I want you to get 20 of these in. Good. Woo!
Where are we at?
10. 11. Good. Woo! Don't fall over. 4. 3. Jump a little higher. And 1 more. Woo! Okay. Just leave you hanging there. Oh man, I mean that's fast. No, we're good. We're good. 1 time through. Shake it off. Inhale. Exhale. Ah. Let it go. Man, I mean that's seriously quick but fierce.
Yeah.
Good. All right, you guys. So hopefully you're gonna try these at home. If you do, comment below. Let us know how they go. It's way more fun sweating it out with friends and family, with you or on your back. This is like really a butt burner right here. This is a good one to try too. You can add this and give each other a little squatty and piggyback. And don't forget, good things come to those who sweat. So we'll see you next week for another awesome workout. Bye. Okay, you guys, so.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Are you okay? I feel like I just crushed you like a bug. I had to try that over. All right, that was a great job. Bitty bop, bitty bop, bitty bop. Let's do it one more time. Come on, come on. See you next week for another.